Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. So guys, today I'll be sharing my super amazing Target haul with over $100 worth of products for less than $15. But before heading to the store, we're going to be checking two apps. So first, you're going to want to check your Target Circle account to see if you received one of these coupons. Mine was for $15 off when I spend $100. Then check your Ibotta account to see if you received a midweek bonus. Mine was for $5 when you redeemed 10 offers. And I was able to complete that bonus in this Target haul. So let's go over these deals. These big bottles of Old Spice body wash are priced at $9.49. And when you buy two, you will receive a $5 Target gift card. So grabbing two will total $18.98. You'll get back that $5 gift card. And these bottles are qualifying for two separate Ibotta rebates. Each one is for $2, so you'll be getting back a total of $8 for two bottles, making two of these $5.98 or just $2.99 each. The hefty trash bags are also on promotion for buy three and receive a $10 Target gift card. Trash bags are as low as $11.29. So if you grab three of those, it'll total $33.87. You'll receive that $10 Target gift card, making three of these $23.87 or just $7.96 each. The True Skin Hyaluronic Acid is priced at $16.99. Grab two, which will total $33.98. Clip the $3 digital coupon, bringing the total down to $30.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get back $5 for each one. Then to SHOPMIUM for $4 for the second bottle. Fetch is giving back $4 per bottle. And finally, SWAGBUCKS is giving back $9 when you purchase two, making two of these a 2-cent moneymaker. The Perfect Bar Chocolate Brownie are on sale this week at two for $4. Ibotta is giving back $1.50 for these bars with a limit of 5. So if you grab two, you'll pay $4, then get back $3 from Ibotta, making two of these $1 or just 50 cents each. And because I wanted to complete that midweek moneymaker Ibotta bonus, I decided to grab four of these. So the total for four would be $2 or 50 cents each. And our subtotal is at $94.83 so far. So we still need $5.17 in order to get it to that $100 mark. So you can add any other qualifying item at this point. I really wanted to get these Huggies Skin Essentials wipes, but my store was completely sold out. But if you are able to find these at your store, grab one priced at $6.79. Clip the $3 digital coupon, bringing the total down to $3.79. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $3 back, making this just 79 cents. So instead of the wipes, I grabbed one of these Similac liquid formulas priced at $10.39. I had this coupon for $10 off any Similac product, which I found at my son's doctor's office, which brings the total down to 39 cents. And this is everything I picked up at Target today. So the subtotal for everything here came up to $105.22. So if I were to only pick up two of the Perfect bars, my subtotal would have been $101 with 22 cents. But remember, I do have that Ibotta bonus for 10 offers, so I just decided to complete that bonus during this Target trip. Then I used the $15 off a $100 Target Circle digital coupon, minus the $10 Similac coupon, which actually deducted $8.84. Which always happens whenever you use a category coupon, minus the $3 digital coupon for the True Skin and the $1 digital coupon for the Old Spice, brings the total down to $76.22. But I received a total of $15 in gift cards, plus $29 from Ibotta, that is including the $5 midweek moneymaker bonus, $4 from SHOPMIUM, $9 from SWAGBUCKS, and $8 from Fetch, which makes the final total for for over $100 worth of items, just $12.38 or $1.03 each. And if you do not have that Ibotta bonus, your final total will be $17.38 or just $1.45 each, which I feel is still a really amazing deal, especially because we do not always get good deals on trash bags. So if you're interested in any of the items in this haul, stop at your local Target by Saturday, October 5th. If you're new to any of the rebates mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. And here's the complete breakdown for you guys. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.